Get the display switching Windows hotkey or the Windows key and the letter P fixed with this guide. Firstly, try to troubleshoot a keyboard by checking if the keys are damaged. Run the keyboard troubleshooter and update or reinstall the keyboard driver. But if those methods did not work, turn off game mode by searching game mode settings. Now if the game mode is on, click on it to turn it off. Then once done, try the shortcut again. Another fix is to make sure that the action sensor is working. All you have to do is to click on the right side corner of your taskbar and see if the action center will come up. Now if nothing you've done so far has worked, it might be time to use a workaround by creating the space switch shortcut. And in order for you to do that, right-click on an empty area of your desktop, select New, choose Shortcut, depending on the option you want to use, but here are some sample shortcuts. Enter the appropriate shortcut location in the text box of the Create Shortcut wizard, then click Next. Now you also have to give the display switch shortcut a name, and once done, click Finish. Now you will find the display switch shortcut on the desktop, and when you double-click on it, it will switch to the desired display option. Now those are the solutions and workarounds if the Windows and the letter P is not working on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.